My shipment from Covert Instruments came in today, and I'm going to do a quick unpacking. I'm not going to go over the details of each tool in depth right now. That will come later on, but let's see what we got. The packaging is nice enough for getting it here, I suppose, and it should be robust enough to get it to you safely without anything breaking. Most of the pieces are metal anyway, so yeah, that's all the stuff. And now it's falling off my desk. Please pardon the messiness of my desk because, well, anything that's a horizontal space in my house seems to quickly turn into a mess. All right, let's see. There is the latch slipping tool. That's nice. I already have a similar tool from Sparrows, and I'm going to be comparing them later on. Okay, they sent me a sticker. That will go on one of my Apache cases that I keep lockpicking stuff in. A free patch because of whatever special they had running. Don't really have a use for that, but it's there. Panel keys for like electrical panels and such. I have a bunch of elevator keys also. They're just common keys that you can use to access those sorts of things. And I didn't have any of these before, so I decided to buy some. Oh, the ergonomic comb picks. They're nice. I'm going to do a review on them. I'm looking at this package closely to figure out what it is. This appears to be the shims I ordered. I'm not sure what is in this particular box. Oh, the pliers. These are used for straightening out some of the tools I have. The decoding knives, for example. They appear to be just rounded off pliers that you can use for straightening out those decoding knives. Let's see, what is this? This is more like the beginning set for lock picking. Off the top of my head, I'm trying to remember what it's called. I believe Genesis. I'll be doing a review on those later on. I like the little Ziploc bags they come in, have Covert Instruments on them. I'm wondering how much it costs to do all the extra product branding that they do. And I believe this is called the Echelon set. And there's no pick in the case right now. But folds up like that. It comes with a bunch of different picks that I will be doing a review of eventually. And also a writable RFID tag. But yeah, it's packaged well enough for my tastes, and should be a lot of useful tools. The only thing I didn't see so far is the decoding knives, and I'll have to look around to see where exactly they are in this mess. But that's it for now. I contacted Covert Instruments after I found my notch decoders were not in the package, and they quickly emailed me back saying they were sending the notch decoders, so I'm a very happy camper with their customer service. I highly recommend you order from them if you see any items that you like. And so far, I'm very happy with them.